You got it? You take 2 or 3 large onions with a little bit olive oil. I have an hour in salt, then wash up the salt, and then you put it here in. Here. Take a look. You see? Here. So, you put enough high. When you cover this, when you let a couple minutes just, and then you prepare mushroom, pepper, another pepper. When you put in 1 box of peas. You know, first of all, you take out, and you wash them. You can eat with rice, with noodles, or with potatoes. You know? Also, when you're single, when you cook something like this, you can freeze it, or you can take it out from the frigidaire anytime. You hear? When you cook, you take something, a couple noodles, when you have a good meal. A very good meal, better than the restaurants, believe me. What you're doing is, you put from a can a little bit classic. You see? Classic. The half can, not the full can, the half.
What's the peas?
Take a look at the peas, yeah. You see? Now, I'm not putting water in at all. This is the old juice from the onions, from the meat, and from the paprika. From a full fire, I let cook maybe 15 minutes like this. 15 minutes, and then I put it slower.
Okay.
Right now is cover a little bit, and this has to cook at least 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours?
Yeah.
Not on high. On high?
No, not in high, no. After cooking an hour, you put in 1 or 2 oatmeals.
2 what?
Spoons.
Big spoons.
Like this here. Oatmeal. Why I'm putting oatmeal in is to flavor the sauce from the goulash. You know, it's a little bit, gives a heavier flavor. and the sauce is much better.